For today's practice, we need a mat and a pillow. Starting in a seated position in Vajrasana, knees will be bent backwards, spine straight. We'll begin with abdominal breathing. Place your right hand on your belly. As you inhale, fill the belly with air like a balloon. As you exhale, collapse the belly. Mouth will stay closed throughout, only breathing through the nose. Inhaling, fill the belly. Exhale, let it collapse. Continue 3 more times. You can close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, fill the belly. Exhaling, collapse. Completely ground yourself. Inhale and exhale. Slowly place your hands on your shoulders, elbows pointing outward. We'll start with shoulder rotations. Try to tap the elbows at the front. Slow and big circles. Let breathing be natural. 5, 4, slow and big circles. 3, 2, no tension in the neck. 1, and anti-direction. 5, starting from the back. 4, 3, no rush, keep it slow. 2, 1, slowly release your hands. Now take your right hand up, left hand down along the length of the spine. It's okay if your hands don't reach each other. Stay as far as you can. Let's breathe here holding this position. Make sure your chin is parallel to the ground. 1, natural breathing. 2, relax the muscles of your back. 3, feel your chest lifting. 4, relax your neck. 5, feel your shoulders opening up. And slowly release your hands. Repeating on the other side, take your left hand up and right hand down, chin parallel, close your eyes. 1, natural breathing. 2, relax your back. 3, feel your chest lifting. 4, relax your neck. 5, feel your shoulders opening up. And slowly release everything. From here, come onto your palms and transition into a cat position. Knees slightly apart, palms right below the shoulders. On the inhalation, arch your back. Exhalation, round that spine. Let the movement and breath be in complete sync. No jerks in the neck. Really slow, mindful movement. Inhaling, arching. Exhaling, rounding the back. Continue 4 more times. Keep moving, slow, arch. Feeling the vertebra. Exhale, round. Inhale, look straight. Exhale, round and look towards the belly. Inhale and exhale. Spine is relaxed and mobilized. Slowly from here, widen the knees as much as your body permits comfortably into Mandukasana frog pose. You can use some padding like towels below your knees too. Place the inner side of your thigh and inner side of the kneecap on the mat, palms on the floor. Make sure your hip and knees stay in the same line. We're slowly going to open up the hips and release some tightness. If being on the palms seems easy, you can go deeper onto your elbows. You can rest your head on a pillow too. Close your eyes and keep natural breathing here. We're going to hold. Let the inner thigh gently open up in this position. Keep breathing. Any tension we're holding in this region, breathe it all out. Let your exhalations become longer than your inhalations. Keep all your attention around the sensation of the hips and thighs. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Last few breaths. Slowly come back on your palms and get the knees close to each other back again. Tuck your toes and lift your knees up in ADHO SVANASANA, downward facing dog. Take your legs hip width apart and arms shoulder width apart. Try to keep the ears in line with your arms and let the heels go as low as possible. Keep the spine as straight as possible. Try not rounding it. Just a few long breaths here. You can softly even pedal your feet if that feels good. Close your eyes. Let the blood rush towards your head. Let the breath travel to the lower body, releasing your lower back into the hips. Feel your hamstrings, ankles, and your feet releasing. Feel the opening. Keep breathing soft. Gently drop your knees and head to the earth into Balasana or Child's Pose. Let your back be rounded here, knees close to each other. Close your eyes again. Let the breathing slow down. Let your limbs rest here for a few moments. Back is in a womb-like position, completely relaxed. Let all the heaviness sink into the ground, sink into the earth. Really slowly lift yourself up, roll over and lie down on your back. Bend both your knees and place the right ankle on top of the left knee. Let your right hand needle into the gap formed by the legs and left hand come from the outside. Hug your left shin, neck will be down. Close your eyes here and keep letting the left knee come closer to your chest slowly and steadily. Don't use any force, be really gentle. Let the right hip keep feeling a long stretch and release. Let the breathing be soft. Try to relax the shoulders while in this position. Really slowly release your hands and switch legs. Place the left ankle on top of the right knee. Let your left hand needle into the gap formed by the legs, right hand coming from outside. Hug your right shin here. Keep your neck relaxed. Let the shoulders be relaxed. Keep letting the right knee fall towards the chest. Slow, natural breathing. Feel the release in the left hip. Just a few moments. Slowly release the hands and the legs. Grab that pillow and place it on your lower back. Bend your knees and let the base of your feet touch each other in a sleeping butterfly position, Supta Baddha Konasana. Right hand on the chest, left hand on the belly. Let both your elbows be rested on the mat. Close your eyes here. Just notice the effect of the movement of your chest and belly on your hands. Moving up, moving down. Inhaling and exhaling. Let the breath keep slowing down. Inhale, exhale. Let your body relax. Forehead completely relaxed. Eyes rested. Let each cell restore itself. Soft, long breaths. Back is getting released and hips are opening up. Keeping your eyes closed, slowly straighten out your legs and release the pillow. Hug your thighs into your chest. Take a few seconds here. Give yourself a long hug. Roll over softly and come to a comfortable seated position. Rub your palms together here. create some heat and cup your eyes. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes. Namaste.